just wanted to come on really quick and share this with y'all. So, I recently had received an email from CVS, and it said, like a free beauty item on them. So I clicked on it to open it, and what it is, you can get a free $5 cosmetic item. You can either get a nail item, facial item. It was one more, I can't remember, but you can get it up to $5. So of course I decided to go get me some nail polish. So I picked out, the first one I picked up was this Orally, the Orally breathable. I don't have any of these yet, so I wanted to give it a try. This was the only one that they had left at my CVS, and this one was on clearance for $4 and something. But it's the treatment plus color, and it's an all-in-one, no base coat or top coat needed. So it's base coat, color, and top coat all in one. It says apply 2 coats of breathable treatment plus color to bare clean nails, and that's it. So the color is called Detox My Socks Off, and it's a pretty color. And since this one was on sale for $4 and some change, it didn't come to $5 even with the tax. So I decided to pick up something else. So I grabbed a Paparazzi. They did still have the China Glaze, the Jewels collection I shared in my last video. These are still $3 and some change, and they did have a couple of those left, but not really a color that I wanted. So I didn't grab that, or else I would have got like 2 of those, you know, pay the difference or whatever. So I ended up grabbing this Paparazzi. I thought it was a really pretty, like, blue jean like color, and this one is called Bid You Adieu Blue, and I think it's really pretty. They actually go good together. So, you know, these are $2.99 or 2 for $5, I think, on these ones. So here's my receipt. So with the Orally breathable, I ended up getting it for $1.26, y'all. The regular price was $9.29. The coupon took off $3.38, and then it took off $3. So I got the Paparazzi polish for free. So it kind of split that $5 coupon, I guess. This is the one free beauty item. It said $2.99, which gave me this free. So basically, it took off $3.38, which was my manufacturer coupon, and my extra bucks was taken off from the Orally. And then the beauty item, they applied the $3 and gave me that for free. So I basically just had to pay the $1.26 plus tax, which came to $1.52 for both nail polishes. Really, I got this free, so I basically paid like $1.52 for this one. So I thought that was an awesome deal. So if you guys get emails from CVS, go check your email and see if your $5 free beauty item is in there, because I don't know when. I know that it didn't last long, so it's going to expire probably in just a couple days. So make sure you guys go check it out. And yeah, I'll have to swatch these or either polish my nails with these soon and let you guys know what I think about them. But love the colors, love the price, honey. All right, y'all, thank you for watching. Make sure you thumbs up and subscribe.